Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get an OpenAI API key. Let's get started. First, go to platform.openai.com. If you already have a ChatGPT account, you can simply click Login in the top right corner. If not, you can click Sign Up to create a new OpenAI account, which also works for ChatGPT. Since I already have a ChatGPT account, I'll click Login and sign in with my details. To access your API key, go to the top menu and click the lock icon. Then choose API Keys. Before you can create a key, OpenAI will ask you to verify your identity using your phone number. Click Start Verification, enter your phone number, and complete the verification process. Once that's done, you can create a new API key. Click Create Secret Key under the API Keys section. You can name it anything you like, for example, First Key, and then click Create Secret Key again. This is your new key and you can copy it to your clipboard. Remember, once you click Done, you won't be able to view the key again. You can delete it or generate a new one, but you can't reopen the old key unless you copied it. To actually use this API key, you also need credits in your account. To add credits, go to Settings, then Billing, and select Add to Credit Balance. Make sure your balance is above 0 to use the API successfully. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.